Yesterday, I uploaded this particular design that you're seeing, the Arsenal Champions Premier League design, and a lot of people liked it. And somebody in the comment section on X said I should, put them through the process of how I made that design. So yeah, I am taking up the challenge to actually do that right now. And so it says a combination of AI and human. So what did I do to achieve that design? So I saw this particular elephant that you're seeing. This one I'm moving on the screen. I saw it on X. I think Pepsi Uganda uploaded it. You know, they uploaded it on their TL, and I was like, okay, okay, okay. So and I work with a brand, a shorted apartment brand called Crestview Apartments. And so I was like, how can I repurpose this particular design into the brand and still send the congratulatory message to us now? How do I do this? How do I do this? And I was like, okay, it clicked. The idea entered into my head immediately, and I was able to come up with something. So I want if you remember, there's a picture of Messi when he won the World Cup. He went to the hotel the next day and he slept with the World Cup trophy. So I'm like, okay, let me do this too for Arsenal. But using their elephants is very significant to Arsenal. So let me use this elephant when it's Jesse and on the bed sleeping. So that was the idea. So how to now execute is not a difficult thing. So I know my ChatGPT is going to provide the final results for me. So I went to ChatGPT and I sent in to the two images and I prompted. I said, I want you to make this design as neat as possible. One, make the elephant with the Arsenal jersey sleep on the bed. In the second frame, while the elephant holds the Premier League trophy, like you are sleeping with your wife. Please make it clean and make it look like it was humanly designed, not AI infusion. Load in 8K and the size should be 3 by 4. So it generated this first one, and I'm like, the elephant is not looking well relaxed, and there's a ribbon at the side of the trophy that was not there. So what I did was I printed it again. I said, make the elephant more relaxed and add the Premier League red ribbons to the trophy, and boom, this is the result, and which I liked more. So I downloaded it and I took it to my almighty corridor where the magic happens. So this is the design. So I make two options. I made the one of side view and I made the one of top view. This one is the top view, and this is the side view. So how did I prompt ChatGPT to give me the top view? It's very simple. So what I did was I just took the first one and I said, I look at this part, the one I'm highlighting. I said I want a top view shot of same bedroom image. So he delivered this to me. Do you get? So that was I got two options from one image. And I did my grid. Anytime I want to design, I'm always doing grid for each of the logo, the design frame. So I did a part for, you can see the grid. I did a logo frame in the first design, and I did the headline frame. Like you can see the headline frame from here to here. And I did the image frame too. You can see where I'm marking. You can see the image frame. And I did the subtext frame too, which is like more of the concentration. And I also did the footer frame. So what I added to, I filtered it with a similar color to the background, which is this. You can see it, and I just moved it out. You can see I did so I want the concentration to be on the text and not on the background. So I filtered it with this color, and also the bottom too, I filtered it with the color so that the concentration will be on the text and not on the image behind it. So that was the idea behind this particular design. So I hope you learned something on this. So it's not crazy, like it's crazy when you think about it, and when you're not executing as you thought about it is another things, and that's what I did with this design. So I hope you learned something though, and I did two, one for myself and one for the brand. So you can look. I used the top view for the brand, and this is it. I did so same thing, ultra, same thing, ultra. Thank you. That's how I achieved the Champions League for Arsenal. Congratulations to Arsenal again. Congratulations. If you like this video, you can like, share, and also reshare if you like. Peace.